Hello, welcome back to my channel. I actually video or tutorial just about this, how to get my curls looking like this. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this, just keep on watching. But I just need to put this out there. What I used, actually I used just two products on my hair. That's the Cantu Argan Oil leave-in conditioner and coconut oil. So this is actually to show you that you must not use like golden products to have your hair looking like this, or to care for your natural hair. Like Cantu is a very common leave-in conditioner. Coconut oil, like who doesn't have access to coconut oil? Like you can make your own coconut oil at home, and if you DIY on how to make coconut oil, just let me know and I will do that. So yeah, I use just two products, and here you go, I got my hair looking like this. So yep, just keep on watching. So I start by washing my hair. Like I section my hair into 4 to make it easier for me to work with, and then further on separate each section again into the size which I desire. Like my hair is a little bit longer, so I need fewer sections, but if you have shorter hair, then you will need more sections than what I'm using right now. So I'm just putting in first my leave-in conditioner, which is the Cantu leave-in in this case, and then following up with my coconut oil and brushing the hair. I detangled the hair were already in the shower, so now I'm just like combing the hair and brushing it out to make it really smooth, and then I twist. So I think that's all the explanation I have to give you concerning twisting the hair. The rest is really self-explanatory. Like just watch and you will understand what I do. Like you understand how to do the twist. It's really just as you see it. But don't forget to like when you get to the very end, just like to twirl it around your hand like I just did right now, and to avoid freezes at the edges when you take down your twist. So yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is how it's looking like the next day when it's actually really dry. It must be dry, like it'll be very frizzy. So the first thing I do, I put this hair polisher. Is actually very slippery, so it's a very lightweight oil. I just put a little bit on the entire hair, just to give it some shine, you know. And then I start to unravel. I always like beginning from the back. Just do this one in front, and so you see how it okay. I now unravel it. I take it the opposite direction, and then when I find a hole where it separates itself, I just like, you see. And then now I take the other section and divide again into 2, and then the other one into 2. So that's what I do. I twist the whole thing the opposite direction. When I find this separation, I just do that, and then usually you find a hole, like when you're unraveling it, you find some parts already struggling to separate themselves from each other, so you just help them out by doing that, separating them, and then separate again one more time. But if you did your own twist chunkier than mine, then you have to separate, of course, even more times. Or if you did very tiny twist, then you just have to unravel once. So it just depends on how the sizes of your twist are. So right now I'm just going to unravel the whole hair. I don't want to waste your time. Looking like a hopeless case, but don't worry, this is a magic. You need to have a white tooth comb. I like dip the comb at the roots of my hair, and I like pretend I'm like pulling it up, but I don't want to comb the whole thing right out, you know, like I don't want to mess with the curls. I just need to lift up the roots. So the purpose of this is to hide all those lines. So it's I just put in, pretend I'm pulling it out, but not all the way. It's also to give it some volume, you know, so it doesn't just lay flat. But the funniest thing is, day 1 twist out is always, day 2 or 3 twist out is always much more, to me, better looking than the first day twist. Like it becomes longer and more fluffy the next day and 2 days after. So first day, get my hair curly like this. So hope you like the video, and if you do, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any question, just go down to the comment section below and I will always do reply you. And if I have one request, if just one person says, oh please can you do this or that, or I did not understand this, I will always come back and make a video. Like I'm making these videos for you guys. Even if I'm making it for one person, I'm happily doing it for that one person. So yeah, just leave any comments down below, suggestions of what you would like me to do for you down below, and I will gladly come back and do so. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.